to know, we are Enrica, Nerea, John, and Sue, and now we are going to talk about tidal energy. Tidal energy is a renewable energy powered by the natural rise and fall of ocean and currents.
Now I'm going to explain how it works. First of all, water moves in and out past the turbine as tides ebb and flow. Then turbine generates a volume producing electricity. And finally, electricity retrieved by underwater cables for use as solar.
As Nerea has said, are some installations that are under the water, and in this picture we can see that they are installed.
Advantages. Tidal energy is free. Tidal energy produces electricity without polluting. And tidal energy is reliable.
No disadvantages. Installations take just to build and generate a big visual and landscape impact on many costs.
They can be used only in specific places of the planet, and installations are really expensive.
Now I'm going to talk about the impacts. First, flora and fauna. The most important impact is that living beings, especially marine beings such as whales and sharks, have to change their natural habitat and have to immigrate to another place. In the landscapes can also be affected. The construction of this type of structure in well-preserved areas without anthropic degradation is irreversible and in many cases deteriorates the landscape values on the coast area. And this is all. Thank you for your attention.